Hey man, same man, it's your boy TechWiz TV. I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all young boys how to make 10K a month at 21. So, first thing first, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Go ahead, you feel me? Join the community, join the crew. I don't charge nothing. I'm not the type of nigga I'm finna make a motherfucking like membership where you gotta join to learn the secret knowledge of how to make money, bro. No. You subscribe to my main channel, my free main channel, bro, you gonna get free game, bro. Like, I'm not, all that shit be fluky, bro. Anything I've learned like just off the strength. So you learn how to, you searching my content, that means you already trying to learn. So like, I just respect the learning aspect of it. So I'm just here to give y'all free game. And another thing, bro, just a few pre-disclaimers before I really get in the video, bro. First thing first, I'm not here to like finesse like on some, oh yeah, you gonna be a millionaire when you do this, and this, bro. Everything I say, you gonna have to work hard, you gonna have to wake up early, you gonna have to, you feel me, sacrifice fun thing, whether it's you play 2K all goddamn day, you shouldn't be doing that anyway. Motherfucker, you worry about going, kicking it with the guys, kicking it with females, anything you got going on, like, you gotta cut that out to get to where you're going, bro. So, just a few disclaimers. I'm not here to like sell you a dream, none of that shit. But I already took 1 minute and 30 minutes of y'all time, bruh. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm gonna break this down, bruh. I'm gonna go through personally, like right now, this month, my revenues basically of how I made money this month, and then I'm gonna explain to y'all like how you can apply that to you. So, boom. First thing first. I have a regular job, I would say 9 to 5, but I don't work like 40 hours a week because I also have income from making clothes and clothing brands. So let's say I work anywhere from 35 to 40 hours a week. So 4 to 5 days, like 7 to 4 maybe. That's a regular job until next month I go back to school. So I'm gonna be not working on my regular job like that. But I'm also gonna be making up for the income. One, when you go to school, you get like return on money, as well as I have a clothing brand. I have a clothing brand drop this month, August 15th. So like my income is gonna be like tripled or double what it will be in a month where I didn't drop any new drop. Like I don't release nothing for that month. Like last month, I didn't drop any new clothes. So I'm gonna just be making money off past clothes that I haven't sold out on, or you feel what I'm saying? Like, if that makes sense. So let's just give y'all a number. I make $20 an hour. I work 35. I'm gonna do the low number instead of the 40. I'm gonna do 35 hours. That's about $3,000 a month. So $20 at 35 to 40 hours a week, 4 weeks out the month. That's anywhere between like 28 and 34 thousand dollars, well not thousand, $3,400 a month. So that's just one source of income. On top of that, you feel me? If we show I'm gonna put a screenshot on the screen. This is for like a 2-week period, like last month. So boom, if you look, I sold like 30. I'm not looking at the screenshot. I think it's like 30 some orders or some order. You see the order amount, you see the piece amount, and then you'll see the dollar amount. I made like $1,000 or so dollars. So if I can make that in 2 weeks on a month where I'm not dropping, you feel me? Like I didn't just drop something for my clothing brand. I make about 2 to like 4 on a good month passively on my clothing brand. So let's say a month like this month where I'm dropping a new drop and I'm doing promos. So let's not take the money I'm spending using promos. Let's just say the money that's going in, I'm gonna make a good 5 to 10,000 extra specifically this month, just because I am doing a clothing drop. So like, as you see, like the source to this all is making multiple streams of income. So YouTube does not pay a lot. I probably will make like what, $200 this month, maybe $250, $100, depending on, like, it all depends on your one, you have to be monetized. You need like 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch hours, like 4,000 watch hours. But for my channel, like my old videos, like they've been getting a lot of views. So it just depends on like what my like complete catalog of videos, because I'm a smaller YouTuber, so I need all my videos to like get get views at one time, and it accumulates to a couple $100 a month. But YouTube is another stream income. It's not much. I probably make 100, maybe not even $100 a month. I don't bank on YouTube making me money. Like, so let's say $100 to $300 a month every month from YouTube. So after that, you have my Instagram right here. Shameless plug. Give me the 31K. I'm almost there too. Give me 31K. I'm at like 30.5. But Instagram, I do promos, as well as I promote other people's business, as well as my own personal business. Like I have my Steve's clothing brand, as well as I design for other people. So like people hit me up, they be like, all right, I'm looking for a design, I'm looking for help for this, and this. I'm trying to set up a clothing brand. Can you help me? So boom, what I do there, okay, boom. All right, I'm gonna give you a pack of designs. Tell me what you want. You feel me? Work on some mock-ups, show you the progress. You end up paying. What I like to personally do, I like doing designs by commission, where I don't want you to pay me just $200 and you just have my designs. Like I work hard on my designs, and these like my this my artistic. Like I'm giving you my artistic property. So what I like to do is I either want a revenue of like any design, like any clothing brand sold with my designs on it. I either want a percentage, or you're gonna have to compensate me fairly much, you feel me, up front, so you don't have to pay that royalty. So let's just say, hold on, I'm opening up my notes again. Let's just say a month from now I make like, that's an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. So all in total, you see how it's racking up, as well as Bitcoin. Now that's not like a big. I'm not making big chunks of money, but I invest in, like, you watch my videos 2-3 years ago. I've been talking about investing in Bitcoin. This hoe gonna hit 1 million one day, bro. And this was when that hoe was like at 58, and it was going down. I'm telling y'all, bro. Invest in it. It's like boom. You invest in Bitcoin, bro. It's like boom. I give y'all the same acronym, same example every time, bro. Let's say I got this tripod, bro. Matter of fact, I got my phone in my hand. Let's say I got this phone, bro. This phone is $1,000, right? But there's a sale for this iPhone right here that you can get it for $500. Now you buy the phone for $500, my nigga. The sale in, and now the market price for this is $1,000. You gonna want to take what you bought for $500 and go sell it for $1,000, and that's how Bitcoin works. If you buy Bitcoin today, I could look. Hold on, let me check the price for y'all on Coinbase. But if you look at the price of Bitcoin right now, bro, I'm trying to get my shit to load, bro. They asked me to log in and shit. They gonna have to edit this part out, man. Okay, boom. So Bitcoin is at 1,000,000, bro. So if you buy today, and you don't have to buy Bitcoin, you put $100, you put $200, you put a small amount. Now, when the price goes up of Bitcoin, so more people buy, and the value of a Bitcoin is higher, your money is making itself, rather than you just sitting there putting in saving. You barely gonna make pennies on the dollar. The bank taking that money and they gonna invest it themselves. You feel me? When the U.S. go and buy, like they invest in different things and different projects, whose money they using? Yours. So your taxpaying money, or your money, or the bank's using your money, like J.P. Morgan, that's Chase Bank, Wells Fargo. You look at these banks are investing your money, your insured money, yes, in your savings, and they're making more money off of you than they're giving you. That's why they give you pennies on the dollars to hold it in their account. Cause, oh yeah, let me hold your money. I'm gonna go spend it, and I'm gonna make me some more money and give you a little bit of the money I use to make it back, bro. They finessing us, really, but it's not really a finesse. At the end of the day, everybody's just trying to make their coins, bro. So you gotta see it as that. So y'all gotta have y'all ducks in a row, like I said, bro. Now, I could just be a normal nigga and just work a regular 9-to-5 job, and I will only be making a couple 2,000, 3,000 a month. You can't live like that for real, bro. Shit be expensive. Gas high as hell. Motherfucking cheese grits, not cheese grits. Anything you wanna buy, bro. A bag of chips like $5 now, bro. I remember you can get a bag of chips for like $2. Like, shit just hot. So you need money on, bro. You need to hustle. You need to have your own business. You need to invest in Bitcoin. You need to have multiple streams of income, bro. You need to do these things because you want to be successful. Like, do you want to be successful? You want to struggle along and barely get by? Like, no, you want to be successful. You don't want to be average. You want to be above average. You want to exceed expectations for yourself. Like, that's why your standard for yourself got to be high. Like me, I'm 21 years old, bro. I turned 22 August 27th this month, bro. I'm hustling my ass off, so when I'm 30, that's the real fun. Like, a lot of people my age, bro, they don't got the mindset I got. They just want to have fun. They want to turn up. They want to do this. They want to do that. No, bro, it's time to lock in. It's time to grind. That's why I respect anybody I see. I respect when I see them hustling, cause that's why I don't charge. That's why I don't try to do the membership shit where, like, on like Andrew Tate Hustlers Club, or how niggas be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna teach you the secrets of how to get money and you pay for this subscription. Maybe I should do that, cause sometimes you gotta charge niggas to wake them up. Like, some people like, you can learn all the information for free, but some people won't even take the time to learn it because it's not just in one spot for you to find out. So maybe I should start charging niggas, but I'll do this shit out the love because I'm a hustling ass nigga. I be trying to meet like-minded individuals, so I make a YouTube, and I ain't gonna lie, YouTube that met me some. I done came across a lot of like content creators, a lot of people with the same interests, models, people who male and female. So I ain't trying to like make y'all seem like I'm just, you feel me, overly P, but like people who got interest for fashion, modeling, motherfucking clothing brand, hustling, business, whether it's clothing or not clothing, like business, content creator, like it open you up. Like, networking is another thing. I'm gonna transition to that. Networking is another thing, bro. If you want to be rich and successful, you gonna want to network. You want to go meet new people. You want to go meet like-minded people who want to achieve and go and strive and get the greatness just like you, like in a different aspect. Like, y'all don't even gotta be clawing for the same course, bruh. Y'all could be on different paths like this, bruh. Y'all just bump into each other once, you feel me? And it just be like, damn, like, crazy experience. Like I'm telling y'all, bruh. So lock in, do what you gotta do, hustle, like, and don't bullshit yourself, bruh. The same effort you put in, it's the same results you gonna get out, bruh. You go 110 miles an hour, bruh, you gonna get 110-mile results, you feel me? You drive that speed limit, you gonna go to speed limit, you feel me? It seems like, if that don't make sense, like, you just gotta really think about it. Like, whatever you do, you gonna get them results. Like, you wanna go fast, go fast. You wanna go slow, but your mindset is what's gonna take you to that destination, whether it take you 10 minutes or make it take you an hour, bruh, depending how fast you go. So let that shit sink in, bruh. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like, comment, subscribe, make this one video. It's your boy TakeQuiz TV. I'm out.